Amidst all that life throws your way, find time to do what makes you happy. What does your soul long for? Does it long to see more, explore more, learn, follow your intuition, and see what cosmic soul-filled moments it brings? Does it long to share your gifts and to share your journey? Does it long to fall madly in love with this moment, with the life you are living right now? To accept life for what it is, yet also work to make it fill your heart with joy? Explore the chapter of life you are in and dream of the next one. If able and willing, take time to find pleasure, to ask what your heart and soul longs for, to experience the pleasure of going to a new destination, of eating new food, drinking new drinks, meeting new people, the pleasure of laughing, of enjoying a hot cup of hot chocolate or coffee, the pleasure of exploring a new destination, of having new conversations with interesting people, seeing what the universe brings, the pleasure of having lived life, of witnessing life, of being a part of life. The pleasure of smiling at a stranger, of opening a door for someone, of seeing new sights, hearing new sounds, hearing laughter, seeing loved ones greet one another on a street, seeing two strangers passionately make out as if no one is around. your heart yearn for? Does it yearn to paint, to speak, to film, to eat, to go to the beach, to dance, talk to someone you love, or to explore? What if we gave more of our time and attention to that which made us come to life, and then did it? We are a human, a being, an infinite soul within that being with a big, beautiful heart that feels. Maybe you have a desire to witness, to see, to listen, to experience, to learn, to taste, to touch, be touched, to love, to dance, to walk, to be human, to meditate, to go within, to ascend, to go beyond this realm. But while you're here, to explore it. I have been using colloidal silver for years to protect my family. Its long use has been proven to be safe. It works, people. So, when yet another pandemic arises, I reach for my ionic silver, a mini virus killer indeed. Get some today at geraldclark77.com or artisticvegan.com. Thank you for taking this journey with me to Mexico City. I look forward to sharing more content in the future. Until then, be well and be safe. Stay healthy. And please subscribe, like, and comment for more content. Bye.